Civil Service Exam Reviewer, correct usage. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. Zaldi denied any involvement in the alleged blank of flood control funds. A. Misallocation. B. Misallocation. C. Misallocation. D. Misallocation. The correct answer is letter B. Misallocation. Martin insisted the documents were blank and not altered to hide the overpriced materials. A. Authentic. B. Authentic. C. Authentic. D. Authentic. The correct answer is letter A. Authentic. Ferdinand submitted a formal blank after discovering irregularities in the drainage project invoices. A. Complain. B. Complant. C. Complaint. D. Complained. The correct answer is letter C. Complaint. The audit revealed a suspicious blank in the cost of concrete barriers. A. Discrepancy. B. Discrepancy. C. Discrepancy. D. Discrepancy. The correct answer is letter C. Discrepancy. Zaldi argued that the missing receipts were simply a clerical blank. A. Oversight. B. Oversight. C. Oversight. D. Oversight. The correct answer is letter B. Oversight. Martin warned that any further attempts to blank the investigation would lead to legal consequences. A. Obstruct. B. Obstruct. C. Obstruct. D. Obstruct. The correct answer is letter A. Obstruct. Ferdinand submitted a sworn affidavit detailing how the subcontractors were chosen. A. Affidavit. B. Affidavit. C. Affidavit. D. Affidavit. The correct answer is letter C. Affidavit. The engineer admitted that some flood control measurements were blank reported. A. Inaccurately. B. Inaccurately. C. Inaccurately. D. Inaccurately. The correct answer is letter A. Inaccurately. The panel questioned the suspiciously high blank fee charged by Martin's team. A. Consultancy. B. Consultancy. C. Consultancy. D. Consultancy. The correct answer is letter A. Consultancy. Zaldi's lawyer argued that the accusations were purely blank and lacked solid evidence. A. Speculatory. B. Speculatory. C. Speculary. D. Speculative. The correct answer is letter D. Speculative. What is your score?